I'm Easy. Today I'm going to introduce to you DxChain. What do you get when you marry blockchain with big data analytics? You get DxChain. Data is a fuel of the future economy, and by analyzing and processing of huge data, we will be able to reveal meaningful relationship, dependency, and patterns. And from there, we get market analytics and business intelligence. Our data growth is expected to increase exponentially in next few years. This is due to the growth of IoT, social media, and enterprise data. As the name suggests, big data, this will need high computational resources and huge storage requirements. DxChain solving. DxChain marries the blockchain concept with big data technology. It provides decentralized computational power and decentralized storage of big data. It allows business intelligence analytics platform to analyze data at an affordable cost. It disrupts the monopoly of existing big data players. It allows data providers to monetize their data and generate business analytics on their own. DxChain will use a chains-on-chain design with one main chain and two side chains. It uses industrial-proven Hadoop platform to facilitate big data processing and machine learning. It has a flexible and powerful system architecture. It uses the probable data computing and verification game consensus to ensure correctness of computation. It is the only solution now that can provide decentralized parallel computing platform for big data and machine learning. DxChain uses an Ethereum data compatible structure, and it is used to store valid transactions, states, and receipts. The two other side chains are the computation chain and the data chain. By separating the chains according to their function, this solves the problem of scalability, throughput, and latency of the blockchain. Each uses decentralized peer-to-peer storage network like IPFS, Swarm, and Storage. It breaks down data into different fragments and distributed it across different miners in the network. It is used as an incentive layer for miners to provide continuous contribution. The consensus used is proof of space-time, which ensures storage providers really store the file. The computing sidechain is used for organizing and distributing parallel computer tasks between users and nodes on the network. When the computation request comes, it will be propagated through the network to miners, and upon receiving the results, it is sent to the CSC chain for verification. It uses the consensus of verification game and provable data computation to ensure correctness of computational data. Co-founder of DxChain is Alan Zhong. He has over a decade of experience in cybersecurity. In 2013, he established TrustLoop, and his products has been used by over 300 million users worldwide. Wei Wang is also another co-founder and chief scientist of DxChain. He is an expert in parallel computing and hardware. The co-founder of DxChain has 12 years experience as a principal security engineer in Encircle Network Security. Daniel Dai, another blockchain researcher, which has a PhD in computer science from University of Central Florida. Li Lu, also a PhD in distributed systems from University of Rochester. He is a Hadoop project management committee member. Here are some of the advisors from DxChain and VCs and backers. Some of the more prominent ones are Signum Capital, One Block, Bambushi Capital, Origin Capital. The DxChain MVP was launched in 12 July after 4 months of design and development. It showcased DxChain's blockchain storage and retrieval capability. In the MVP, it uses 5 nodes in the test network and with a block generation time of 30 seconds and demonstrate the upload and download of a 15-byte file. We partner with TrustLoop. They will launch a D-app via TrustLoop to reward users for sharing behavioral data which can be analyzed and utilized by partner companies. There are over 300 million users of TrustLoop mobile security app currently. On 7th July, DxChain announced a partnership with DxChain to jointly build a blockchain infrastructure ecosystem and providing a full-stack developer solution for blockchain developers. DxChain will provide DxChain with data storage and computational resources, while DxChain will improve DxChain's performance on sidechain. The name of the token is DX. It will be first launch of the Ethereum ERC20 platform. There will be a total supply of 100 billion, where only 22 billion are for sale. The public sale is 4 million, while the private sale is 17.5 million. The public sale will have a discount of 35% and is locked for 1 year and is released 25% quarterly. In DxChain because it has uniquely positioned itself to disrupt the big data market. It has good and experienced team members. It has announced great partnership, and for more info, do visit the Telegram channel and website.